In this video, we'll teach you how to change your email address on Prizepicks, but there are some issues about the emails, and let's read about them. The email is tied to your login, communication preferences, and account recovery. For security reasons, you will not be able to change your email address once you have connected it to Prizepicks account. We can make an exception for members who used a work or school email and no longer have access. So, if you are this kind of person and you have entered your school email or your work email, you can contact to the Prizepicks support, explain your issue, and they might help you to change your email address. And let's continue reading. If you realize you'd like to use a different email address before you confirm your email and connect it to Prizepicks account, you will be able to adjust these settings. So here's instructions: select email field, enter the correct email address, tap Save Settings. An email containing a one-time password codes will be sent to the email address originally associated with your Prizepicks account. Copy and paste the OTP code into the field provided into Prizepicks app and hit confirm. All future correspondence will be sent to the new email address. So that's the instruction how to change your email address on Prizepicks. And if you guys don't know how to contact the Prizepicks support, you can scroll all the way down, and right here you will see Help Center Live Support. Click on it and contact to their support. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.